Let's see how
One.
many papers it takes to hold each item. One. Only one. One. One again. One. No.
Two.
Two. There we go. One. No.
Two.
Two. Still no.
Four.
Four. There we go. One. No.
Two.
Two. No.
Four.
Four. Pretty close.
Eight.
Eight. There we go. One. Oh.
Two.
Bro, this looks heavy.
Four.
Four. No.
Eight.
Eight. Still no.
16.
16. No.
30.
30. Closer.
60.
60. No.
120.
120. No.
256.
256. No.
512.
500. No.
1,280.
1,200. Still no.
2,560.
2,500 papers? No.
5,120.
5,000. Still no.
10,240.
10,000. There we go, bro.